Yo, gas station time, bad man. The vlog upside down. So I gotta get some gas. I need to clean off my screen, bro. First thing is you have dirty windscreen on the car, but I like it. Oh, YouTube, what go on? Day in my life. Gas up my car. Touch the road. That is it. You have to real one then. Now rough it clean. I'm like, I forgot order back one air freshener because I can't find it nowhere. I can't find that air freshener nowhere, bro. Tell you. How the business, you see me? Yeah, man, the car glass clean now. Better than wait the day, you see it? That is it! Mama! I call you fuck! Fuck, I go on SG. And the snow not start drop yet. If not that, this umbrella. Where am I pre? Oh, you cut off, man, sir. You block up the blood clot road, sombre. I'm not business. Yo. Because of this American cold weather, bro. That me I tell you. Take one tropical vacation one at a time, though. Run on one part, run on one place. You know what I'm saying? America suck me, bro. You didn't even know sometime, brother. You understand? I hear everything I'm gonna watch over there. Turn down your volume, mama. Oh, what's color they nice. The East 40, you see it. So, right now driving through one of America's most dangerous neighborhoods in the East 40s. Ask somebody about it. These thugs don't come out until 3:30, 4 o'clock, man. But yeah, people, big up on yourself, subscribe, like, and share. drive got Utica and circle church and forward. I drive got Utica. I like how they made that house there, the stone. It's a whole model house still, I can't see it. But I like it. You see me, I like it. It might be a older model house, but still nice. They still have some new house that make it still no nicer. So that better boy! Big turn up. Turn up. So make a drive on view. People have known that New York nice. I don't like them no know. But sometimes they just want to see it from MVision TV. To remind them say, you remember your place where you did live and you know, your place where you used to frequently there, or place where you want to be at. Anyone is what it is, but either ways man. Entertainment is here and you will be seeing the place. You hear that? My memory I go finish out of that something and I want to get on the first time and I pick up some things right now for you to start but I just saw the game go still, that's it. We're up on Church Avenue here now. I'm boat over there, so you see I'm boat over there, so. Ja. One day for now I arc that over there up on Church Avenue. Park up neatly. I don't even know. Yeah. People, me don't even know. Me don't even know. Once I did something like that, I don't know. Yo, that's it. Yo. You ever feel like you catch a cold? Feel like me I get sick. Good cold. I mean, that fucker there. And some lemon and ginger and all of that. Want to burn out that. Some rum. And some activity. Sweat out that. You hear that? Stay active.